Hello, this is TemplePick. Thank you so much for purchasing the Simple Debt Tracker Transactions version. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to set up the template and how to use it. It's very easy, so please follow along at your own pace. First, select the sheet, then right-click and choose Duplicate to make a copy. Rename the duplicated sheet to Original. Whenever you want to start a new debt plan, simply duplicate this original sheet for a clean and convenient setup. Now, let's get started with the setup. First, click the arrow to select your currency. Next, enter your name. Today's date will be displayed automatically. Enter your debt payoff start date and the current date. When entering dates, please use the 1st of January 2026 format. Lastly, select a payoff method. Now, let's start setting up your debts. For each debt, enter the name, starting balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. Once all information is entered, you'll see your debts automatically sorted in the Overview section based on the selected payoff method. When you change the payoff method, the order will update automatically. With the Snowball method, debts are sorted from the smallest balance to the largest. With the Avalanche method, debts are sorted from the highest interest rate downward. If you choose custom priority, debts are sorted based on the priority numbers entered in the debt setup section. Enter a lower priority number for the debts you want to pay off first. Based on the selected payoff method, the order of each debt shown below will also update automatically. When only the minimum payment is applied, the payoff date and estimated interest details will be displayed. Now, let's start working in the transactions section. First, click the arrow to select the debt you're paying. Once a debt is selected, the minimum payment information will be displayed automatically. If applicable, enter any additional payment and record the payment date. You can see that the extra payment has been applied to the selected debt's payoff schedule. Enter extra payments for other debts using the same method. Since you can choose which debt to apply the extra payment to, you can manage your payoff plan more flexibly. You can choose which debt to apply extra payments to, allowing you to manage your payoff plan more flexibly based on your financial situation each month. Each time you make an extra payment, the estimated month, when will all debts be paid off, is automatically recalculated and updated. In the auto overview, you can see the estimated payoff date for when all debts are fully paid. You'll also find the total of all debts, starting balances, and minimum payments, the remaining debt balance for the current month, as well as the total amount of extra payments made and interest paid. Since the payoff start date is set to the 1st of June 2025, and the current month is set to the 1st of January 2026, all past months are displayed with an underline. Once all debts are fully paid, the message at the top will update automatically. In the overview section, you also see the payoff progress change to 100%. For debts that are fully paid, you can check the box to mark them as completed. In the chart, you can view the remaining balance of each debt based on the current month. If you'd like to see the exact amounts, double-click the bar, then open the chart editor on the right. Click on Series and check Data Labels. The remaining balances will now be displayed on the chart. This concludes the Simple Debt Tracker Transactions version tutorial. By recording your payments and transactions, you can automatically track your progress for each debt. If you have any questions or need assistance while using the template, please feel free to contact us through the TemplePick Etsy shop. We hope the Simple Debt Tracker Transactions version helps you manage your debts in a clearer and more organized way. Thank you.